So I'm Leonard Newnham. I'm the Chief Data Scientist at LoopMe. To distinguish AI fact from fiction, I think it's important to look at several things. First of all, then, how do people measure the results that they claim to get? So, there's many ways that you can do this, but the gold standard for measurement of AI performance is concurrent persistent control groups. And so by that we mean that we want to split our traffic into two different groups and to evaluate them concurrently. So a small amount would go into a control group and a much larger group would go into the targeted group. So analysing the performance of the two groups in a concurrent way ensures that you don't get any effects that are caused by before and after. So anybody that says, I got this performance before my AI and then I turned on AI and got this different performance, then things change over time. So nothing stays the same, and any reported result they got could equally be due to some other external factor changing, not necessarily the AI. Persistent concurrent control groups are the gold standard for how to measure. Second is really transparency. How do you see what's inside the black box? Many solutions are solutions whereby there's this mysterious AI black box, and if people can't open the lid on that black box and allow people to see inside about what the AI is actually doing, what sort of things is it learning, then that's a sign that there's really fiction rather than fact. One other thing is how frequently models are built. So predictive models, the old style of doing this was to gather a data set, gather a large data set, and then give that to a bunch of data scientists in some darkened room who then pore over that data set, create a model, and then upload it to a production system, and then the AI goes into production. The problem with this type of approach is that the models go stale, things go out of date, things change. What you really need for a properly functioning AI system is something that updates preferably in real time, but at least daily. If you're any slower than that, then the system is not going to be able to respond to change. What developments am I most looking forward to in AI? I think there's many things happening at the moment. This is a big, exciting, changing area. But specifically in advertising, then I think that the big thing that's changing is that we have many different channels these days, and we also have many different touch points. But most of these, most of campaigns that run are still working on individual touch points in individual channels. So a campaign is generally designed to get a user from one point in the larger sales funnel to another point sort of slightly further down. So we run awareness campaigns to communicate basically what the product is all about, and then we run other specific campaigns all the way down to purchase campaigns where you may be offered a discount in order to make a purchase now. But really I can see the situation arising where we put all of those into one large campaign. So imagine if we have 50 or 60 different ads all within one campaign, and each of those ads is doing something different. So in the larger sales funnel, we have an AI system which then determines what's the right message for an individual right now. Is this a person that's at the awareness stage and needs to be moved on there, or is this person further down the funnel? Now, each person's journey through that sales funnel will be a unique journey. You know, no two people would be the same, and some people will move rapidly to the end, and other people will, you know, require lots of intermediate stages. When the AI makes those decisions, then you have joined up campaigns, you have joined up advertising.